And it goes a little something like.
Hi guys, this is like my first video in like a really long time, so if you like it, please subscribe or comment or like or share with your friends. It'd be really appreciated. So here I'm just adding oil and lotion and primer just to start off with like a really clear base for my skin and have no pores. And this depends on like the person, so if something already works for you, try to stick with that because every person is different and you know what's best for your skin. Here I'm just adding some Tarte concealer because it's really strong, and I'm going to go over this with my foundation brush as well as foundation after I'm done blending it out. For my brows, they're already like pretty thick, so I just go over them with some black eyeshadow and try to even out the shape from both sides. And yeah, my eyebrows are definitely not twins, so it takes a little bit of time to make them look the same, but that's okay. To get my foundation completely blended into my skin, I try to pat it around so the product is moved around properly, and then I just push it in using circular motions. And on camera, it's sort of difficult to see the eyeshadow, but I went with like glitter and I just put it all over my lids and added some highlight later into the video. Not only is it super easy to do, it's also really quick, and it also gives a glass-like appearance and it just looks really pretty. I'm honestly literal shit when it comes to baking, but I do feel like when I take it off it makes a really big difference. And while I'm waiting for it to sit, I do my eyelashes because I always forget to put mascara on unless I bake for some reason. I just don't remember it. And then I take off the powder and do my lips and a little bit more contour and highlighting. I'm just using here the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, and I also used a primer earlier in the video.